who you are, and we won't stop, we won't stop. We desire to see a love like yours. We're calling out, cause we're needing more. So hear us now, hear us now. Let the sky open up like a flood.
Hi baby Soraya, mommy and daddy, we love you so much. As you can see, you're inside. Can't wait to meet you. I want to say thank you for everyone coming out to celebrate your day, and we'll see you in a month.
Mommy and Daddy can't wait to meet you, baby.
Love you.
Love you.
We can see heaven here on earth when you carry the weight of every pain and hurt. You cover us, cover us.
Hi, Soraya.
Hi, Soraya.
Can't wait to meet you, baby girl. We love you already.
Yes, yes, you're gonna be so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes.
Your parents are the best. You're gonna be very blessed.
very
You have
good.
a big, big family. So
Who loves you?
Watch
I
out.
hope you're chubby. Who loves you?
I hope you're chubby.
I want the roll.
Yeah, we want the extra.
Hi, my name is Uncle Sonny. I've known your parents ever since I was a child. I used to come to Oak Park and I saw Chango one time. I was like, man, you sexy ass Mexican dude. Yeah. But if you really want to know who won the rope measurement, me and your mommy got the same stomach because I went like this. Check this out. Hey, I won. Hey, good, I won. Huh? Nah, there, right there. That's the winner right there. I literally got the same exact measurement.
Okay, go. What?
Yeah, grab and go, grab and go. Grab and go.
Yeah, 1 second. There you go.
You got a lot.
Nobody gonna beat me.